Good morning, students. Welcome to the offline class on public international law, and here we are going to see today nationality. So this is Dr. K. Sangeeta. So now we will see what is nationality. Nationality is the legal status which represents the country from which an individual belongs. An individual nationality denotes the country where he or she born or of legal citizens. The status is acquired by birth, inheritance, naturalization. On the basis of constitutional provision, every state sets the criteria which determines who can be the national of their country. Based on the international convention, every sovereign state is entitled to determine its nationals as per nationality law. One has the right to enter or return to country they came from. When you see about a second-class citizen, the persons who are national but they are not granted the full rights of that country are known as second-class citizen. So under municipal law, to identify the status of a person, citizenship is being given. Citizenship is a status acquired by a person becoming a registered member of the state by law. Any person can become a member of the state by satisfying the legal requirements of the respective country. In simple terms, the virtue of being the citizens of the country is called citizenship. Once a person becomes a citizen of the state, he has the right to vote, work, reside, pay taxes, and take an active part in the country. Every person is a citizen of the country where he or she is born. But to become a citizen of some other country, one needs to apply for it. When you see the difference between nationality and citizenship, first we will see nationality. The status arising out of the fact that the person is an origin of a particular nation is called nationality. The nationality of the person indicates he or she a place or a country of birth. The nationality of a person cannot be changed. A person cannot be a national for more than one country. In certain countries, they clearly say that to acquire a nationality certificate, a procedure need to be followed. We have it even in India. So next we will see citizenship. Citizenship is the political status that can be obtained by meeting the legal requirements set by the government of the state. The citizenship of a person shows that individual is required as a citizen by the government of the respective country. Citizenship can be changed according to the procedure established by law. In India, a person can possess citizenship for more than one country at a time. In India, there is only one citizenship policy. There is no dual citizenship policy. Second, the process of acquiring a citizenship is discussed in Article 5 to 11. The modes of acquisition according to Citizenship Act 1955 is also discussed. Modes of acquisition of nationality and citizenship. A person may acquire the nationality of the state in accordance with the rule of municipal or local law. Mode of acquisition of nationality is not uniform. It differs from one state to another state. In India, the Constitution of India deals with citizenship from Article 5 to 11 under Part 2 of the Indian Constitution. The Citizenship Act 1995 prescribes 5 ways of acquiring citizenship: birth, descent, registration, naturalization, incorporation of the territory. Acquisition of citizenship. First, by birth. Nationality is conferred to a person by many states on the basis of birth. All those persons whose birth take place within the territorial limits of the state acquire nationality of that state. The above principle is called just soil. UK, USA and many other states recognize this principle of just soil. According to Indian Citizenship Act 1955, it is mentioned that Indian nationality can be acquired by birth and citizenship on the age of 18. When you see acquisition of citizenship either by descent, nationality of a state also be acquired by a person on the basis of nationality of either of the parents. The child may become the national of the state his or her parents have nationality. Next, by naturalization. Naturalization is the legal act or process by which a national citizen in a country may acquire citizenship of that country. A person may acquire citizenship through naturalization in many ways: marriage, legitimation, appointment of government official, adoption. Next, by resumption. A person who lost his citizenship by naturalization may acquire the nationality of the same state again. The acquisition of this kind is called reintegration or by resumption. Next, by subjugation. A person may acquire the nationality through subjugation after conquest. When a part of the territory of the state or a state itself is subjugated by another state, all the inhabitants of that territory becomes the national of the annexing state. So this is about citizenship and nationality. Thank you.